Hey there, it's Brian with Kentucky Typer. I've been using this Royal FP quite a bit lately, and I was thinking about this morning how easy it is to remove the Platen on this machine. And lots of Royal desktops have this quick release type of Platen deal built into them, and so if you don't know that, this would be a handy thing to know if you have a Royal typewriter. They vary a little bit on how it works, but usually there's some kind of release right here that will let you move this out of the way and then just lift the Platen right out. And on this machine, there's a small release right here under the carriage knob. And when you pull that toward the machine, you should just be able to pull that back and lift that right out of there, like so. Yours might vary a little bit, but it's a handy thing to know, and I really like the fact that this was built into these Royal desktops. Okay, hope that helps. That's it for now. Have a good one.